Welcome back. Now in this video, first we will create a new Dart file, write in the forget password, and this is going to be simply the body for the forget password screen. We will have a stateful widget right in here, so write st, and there we go, the stateful. Now give the name forget body. Now we don't need this key, simply dial this from here and click in here, import the library material.dart. Now we have to go and just use that right in the forget password.dart. Instead of this forget background, remove that from here and just pass the other one, forget body. Okay, and in here import the library body.dart. There we go. So we add that forget body from here, remove that, and simply just press the Ctrl S, and you guys will notice the display for the forget body, because right in the forget body there is nothing, just an empty container. Okay guys, now press the Ctrl S, and there we go with the output. Now what I'll do, I'll simply just go and we will use this background dot as a child, and we will set this right in the forget body. Okay, in this body of forget password screen. So first let's go toward the background.dart. In here let's create a widget. So in here first we'll add the final key, so it's going to be non-changeable. In here we'll say widget, and then we'll say child. Now let's go and just add the constructor for that forget background, let it end semicolon, and then we say in there required this dot child. All just fine. Now we will go down, and below this position we will provide the child. Now copy that name from here and go towards the body.dart, that one. Okay, so instead of this container we will remove that, and we will have that forget background. Now right in there let's add the library first. Now in there you'll have a child, and let's have that stack widget in here, and then we say children. Right in the children we will do some padding first. In here comma, and then take this down as insect. In there we will go with the dot symmetric one. We will set the horizontal 40, and also the vertical will be same. Now right after this let's have child, and now we will have a list view widget in here, and right in there we will have a children. Right in the children we will set the text in here comma, and tag this down. So the text is going to be forget password in here comma, and what I'll do now, I'll just press the Ctrl S, and you guys will notice that text and also the forget background. Okay, all of their work right in here, right in the body, forget body. So press the Ctrl S. I have already hot reloaded the app guys, so Ctrl S. There we go. Okay, and you guys can see the forget text, okay, password. Now we will make this beautiful and attractive, so let's go ahead and do some style for that first. So style as usual, text style, and right in the text style first we will set the color. We will go with the color black, just black, and also we will just add the font weight. So font weight is going to be bold, and also we will set the font size 55. Now press the Ctrl S. There we go. Okay, and also we will add the font family, so it's going to be more beautiful. we will go with a Babas, add it and comma. Now just press the Ctrl S. Okay, it's more attractive like that. And we will create some height because it's a way to up, so we will do it now. In there I'll create a source class, type size, object, and then you will just assign the media query in here, dot of contacts, and write at end dot size, semicolon at end. We create this at the wrong place, simply cut this from here and it will be right inside the widget build. Okay, in there, as you guys can see now, here has been gone. Now what I'll do, let's have that size box right in this children size box, then we will have the height. So size dot height, multiply it, we're going to take the 0.2% of the screen right at n comma, and also just add the const modifier so the yellow line will be gone, then code will be clean, as you guys can see. So we have successfully added the size box, okay, with the specific height. Now just go ahead and press the Ctrl S and you guys will notice the height. Okay, forget password right in here. You can play with it, you can change that like this, okay, but I think 2 was more good. Yep. So basically that's it for this video. Right in the next video we will be working right on this specific screen, which is forget password. So see ya.